was floating down the river, just a lonely man. Wooden boat, coconut in hand. Sun was high, heart was low, till I saw her rise in the mangrove. She stepped on board with a flower crown, wind in her hair just floating down. She smiled and said, "Where we going, love?" I said, "Anywhere you want, long as you're above." Oh, girl from Tokatoka, you made my mind get twist cause ice like the morning water, pull me in with no remorse. Tokatoka love, ride the tide with me under the stars, steady ocean breeze. From NAKELO to your sweet soul, girl, we dance like fire on the sea. Tokatoka love, you're my island queen. Find you where the rivers sing, from village roots to forever dreams. You're the song my spirit needs. Tokatoka love, na 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 na. She laughed like wave crashing on the reef, every word like island belief. She told me stories about Tokatoka nights, and I sang her songs till the moon took flight. We passed the palms, the spirits blessed, two hearts beating in the lover's quest. From two tribes, but the rhythm sang. Now the river knows our name. Oh, girl from Tokatoka, you got the magic, I confess. I never knew this. The Kelo soldier would find his heart in your sweet caress. Tokatoka love, ride the tide with me under the stars, where the ocean breathes. From NAKELO to your sweet soul, girl, we dance like fire on the sea. Tokatoka love, you're my island queen. Found you where the rivers sing, from village roots to forever dreams. You're the song my spirit needs. We don't need no city light, just moon and tide. You'll hold me tight. From get up to see your love found me. Now I'm yours eternally. Tokatoka love, we float as one, hearts united by the island drum. NAKELO boy and Tokatoka dove, this is more than just a love. Tokatoka love.